If you're in sales, then you understand that you can have a bad day and then a really good day. But you also get that you can have many bad days in a row, but you could also have many great days in a row, or great months, or even great years. But what I found after working in sales for years and years and years is how to activate this thing called the law of attraction to work for me and to work with me so that I could have many more of those great days and great months and great years. And today I want to share with you how you can activate the law of attraction and use it in your own sales career to help you earn more money, but also to help you to live a better life in general. So let's get right to it. If you're in sales, which I know you are because you're watching this video, then you understand that every day is a new day. Every day, that leaderboard, those statistics of how much you've sold, resets. You're back at zero, right? Every month resets. Every year resets. There's a joke in sales known as you're only as good as your last month, right? Because you could have made however much money last month, but on the new month, it's back to zero. You've got to do it all over again. And because of this, it's so important that we understand the principles of positive expectancy. And positive expectancy is expecting yourself to have a great day, expecting that you're going to have a great month, because you know that you're capable of it, but also because there's other people who are doing that. And in order to have this element of positive expectancy, at the same time, you're activating what's known as the law of attraction, which says your thoughts become things. And you will become the greatest salesperson you could ever be once you are fully aligned with your own vibrational frequency and you're aligned with the law of attraction. Because all the law of attraction says is what you put out there, you will bring back to you. So if you wake up every single day positively expecting that you're going to have a great day, knowing that a great day is possible because you've done it every other day this month, knowing that a great month is possible because you've had 3 great months leading up to this. If you wake up with that picture in your mind of a magnificent outcome, with that positive expectancy, it's almost guaranteed that you'll do a great job. Because seeing that positive outcome in your mind puts you into a higher vibrational frequency, which causes you to take different actions, which will lead you to a better and more significant result. You're probably saying, Brandon, this sounds great, but how is it that I can positively expect myself to have a great day, a great month, or even a great year? Well, this is the way that I personally do it. Every single day when I wake up during my morning routine, I literally sit on the couch during that routine and I close my eyes. And with my eyes closed, I imagine a movie theater inside of my mind, a movie theater that I call the theater of imagination. I imagine that I'm looking at a movie screen as if I'm sitting there with a thing of popcorn. And on that movie screen, I see exactly how I want my day to flow. I see exactly what I want to happen during that day. I see myself happy. I see my customers happy. I see myself making a lot of money, and I see myself actually having money flowing to me from every single direction. This obviously causes me to have a physical smile on my face while I'm doing this, because once you do this more and more, it becomes more vivid, it becomes more real. And what you're going to find happens is this puts you into a high vibrational state so that when you do go into the store that day, or when you do start making sales calls, or whatever it is you do, you will find yourself acting out what you saw in your theater of imagination that morning. So I want you to try this right now. And if you're driving, do this later, right? Do not follow along if you're driving. You can still listen, but definitely don't do this next part, which is I want you to close your eyes. Close your eyes right now, no matter where you are. Don't worry, you're in a safe place, okay? And when you close your eyes, I want you to remember to breathe. Breathe in your nose and breathe out your mouth. And with your eyes closed, I want you to literally picture this theater in front of your eyes, as if you're watching a big movie screen when you're in a theater. And that theater is your theater of imagination. And on this movie screen, I want you to play out what your entire day is going to look like. And I only want you to see the outcome as a magnificent outcome. I want you to see your entire day go by in quick speed. You don't want to live the entire day and sit there for hours. But I want you to see your entire day flash across the screen. And even though your day hasn't happened yet, you can live your day in your mind, inside of your theater of imagination, before it does physically happen. So see right now how you want today to happen. Everything that you want to happen, I want you to include on that movie screen. And I want you to notice, how does it make you feel when you're seeing these images? What is it that you're hearing in the background? Are you hearing the voices of happy people? Are you hearing people laughing? Are you seeing people smile? Where is that feeling in your body when you're having a magnificent outcome, when you're having a magnificent day in general? It causes you to feel good, right? And the key to activating the law of attraction for your life and in sales is to feel good as often as possible. The more you can feel good, the more you'll be in a high vibrational frequency. And if the more you're in a high vibrational frequency, the more actions that will lead you to great results. But all you have to know is every day before your day begins, see the way you want your day to happen. And what I think you'll find is your day will start to roll out and your day will start to happen in the exact way that you saw it in your theater of imagination. Now, it's very important as you go throughout your day, when you have small wins, be sure to celebrate those wins. Because what happens when you practice this and use your theater of imagination and visualize the day, visualize the way your day will happen before it happens, you're going to notice that a lot more positive coincidences happen to you. You're going to start saying to yourself, wow, it's really crazy how I've had 3 big sales in a row, when normally I would have 1 big sale in a day. You're going to say, wow, it's really crazy how that happened, because that happened in the same exact way as it happened in my own mind this morning. You're going to have a lot more happy coincidences. And it's very important that you understand that these aren't coincidences at all. You designed this happening to you. So whenever something happens for you, one of these small happy wins, it's very important that you celebrate it. And what I personally do is I'll close my eyes after a happy win or a happy occurrence, and I'll say, thank you. And when I say thank you, I'm thanking the universe. I'm thanking whatever I believe spiritually, and you can thank whatever you believe spiritually, whether it's God, infinite intelligence, the universe, whatever it might be. But thank whoever you believe in after you do have a magnificent outcome. Because you have to understand, you can design your life the way that you want to, but you'll only be able to continue designing it if you notice and take note of the amazing things that are happening to you. And the more you do this, the more you visualize your day before it happens, the more you celebrate the small wins that you have as a result throughout your day, the more amazing things that will happen to you, and the more coincidences will occur in your life. So let's take this thing called vibration and let's break it down into a formula that's easy to understand so that you can keep yourself in a high vibrational state all day throughout your days. We've already talked a lot about vibration, but right now I want to show you what vibration leads to, as well as how you can keep yourself in a high vibrational frequency so that you can continue to attract more sales, return business, and better results in life in general. And if we take a look here, you'll see results. This is results in sales and also results in your life, because while these principles work amazingly well in sales, they will work in every other area of life too. And if we deconstruct this formula here, you can call this the vibrational formula. I like that. I think we'll keep that. We have to take a look at what comes before results. And what comes before is your vibration leads to the results that you get in life. High vibration, amazing results. Low vibration, lackluster results. So let's take a look at vibes and the way that we feel. And let's break it down into the 2 fundamental components of how you feel in any waking moment. And they are the way that you're using your body on a minute-by-minute basis, as well as what you are picturing in your mind. We've already talked about picturing your outcome before it happens. And the way and the reason why we do that is because by picturing the outcome and the result that you want, you can in a way put your body on autopilot to be in a high vibrational frequency so that you reach the result that you've already seen in your theater of imagination. like we've talked about. And the other one is the way that you're using your body. Now let me explain. When you're feeling tired, when you're feeling down, when it's been a long day in the office and you just want to go home and you keep looking at the clock, what are you generally doing with your body in that moment? Are you up and at 'em? Are you walking around your retail store? Are you doing jumping jacks? Are you doing push-ups? Are you running? Are you walking? Or are you sitting down? Are you at your desk, slunched over in a chair that is so extremely uncomfortable, and you just keep looking at the clock, waiting for the number to go to the next number and then the next until finally you can go home? You're probably in the second boat. You're probably bad posture, sitting down, feeling lousy, because the way that you're using your body in any waking moment heavily determines your own personal vibration. If you're having a bad day, stand up, move around, go for a run, do something to get your heart rate going, even if it's just simply doing some high knees in place. I just did it, but you can't see it because of the camera. But just doing high knees and getting your body moving, getting your blood flowing, even breaking out into a sweat. Now, if you're wearing a suit or you're in some kind of sales environment, you might not necessarily want to start sweating. But the point is, do something different with your body to get a different vibrational frequency, to get a different result. And if you're not having a great day, then ask yourself, what am I picturing in my mind that is causing me not to have a great day? You know, on this YouTube channel, we upload videos every Monday through Friday to help you to feel better, to raise your vibration, and to get better results in sales and in life, and practically in every single area of life. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down there and hit the bell so you see every new video that we release each week. And if these tips are helping you to feel better so that you can get better results, hit the like button right down here so that this video can be shown to more people who can use this information. So just remember, the way that you feel and your vibrational frequency is determined by how you're using your body as well as what you're seeing in your mind. So if you're not getting the result that you want, change one or both, preferably both of these things, which will change your vibration and will help you to get a different and hopefully more positive result. And then just try things over and over until you're getting the result that you want. And then keep doing that over and over and over so that you will have continued success. It's important to understand that the universe will give you exactly what you ask of it, both in sales and in every single area of life. So ask yourself right now, what is the specific outcome that you want this sales opportunity or this job or this career to bring you? You chose sales because you want an uncapped potential to earn what it is you're worth, based on your actions, based on your efforts, and based on your results. So because of that, I know that you have a really good reason why you signed up to do what you're doing. Because if you didn't, then you would have just chosen a secure and a safe job where you can earn an hourly wage just to get by and pay the bills and survive. But because you're like me, you're driven, you're an achiever, you know what you're capable of, you know your skills, you know your strengths. You chose sales because you want more. So what is that more? What does more mean? Picture that outcome in your mind right now. And every single day when you wake up, see exactly what you want during your morning routine. While you picture the way your day or your sale or your event is going to look, picture the outcome, the reason why you're doing what you're doing. Is it a specific amount of money that you want to earn? Is it a specific state of your family? Is it the specific happiness level of your family and the ones that you love? Picture the ideal situation of what it is you want and the reason why you're doing what it is you're doing. Because the universe doesn't understand numbers. The universe will give you exactly what it is you want. So don't be afraid to think big. Don't be afraid to set your sights high. Because the universe doesn't know what high means, right? The law of attraction will bring to you whatever you believe you already possess. It will bring to you whatever you believe you have the ability to possess. But in order to do that, you have to tell it what you want. If you go up to a drive-thru and you just wait for them to hand you food, they're going to look out the window and say, dude, you haven't even ordered yet. If you haven't even ordered from the drive-thru of the universe, then how can you expect the universe to give you what it is that you haven't even ordered? So what is it that you want? And if you found this valuable, if you found these tips and philosophies helpful, but what I want you to do is I want you to watch this video next, because this video will help you understand why the law of attraction hasn't been working for you and what you can do in order to self-correct so that you can get whatever it is that you want in this world. And until we talk again next time, continue to be better.